Hello my Bella Beauties. So if you're watching today's video, then you want to learn how to make your own hand sanitizer. If so, then keep on watching. With the coronavirus affecting so many across the country, it is recommended by the CDC that you take all precautionary measures to protect yourself as well as your family members. Did you know that the most effective way of preventing the spread of germs is by washing your hands with soap and water? It is also recommended by the CDC that you do not replace hand washing with the use of hand sanitizer, but instead as a preventative measure in between hand washing. So with that said, let's get right into the video. So here is the recipe that you would need. According to the CDC, the exact amount that you would need to make this hand sanitizer. I will list all of this in the description box down below. With that said as well, here are the supplies that you will need. Again, I will list everything down in the description box below so that you will now make your own hand sanitizer. As you can see, the best aloe vera gel that I would recommend will be this one, but if you cannot find this one, then you can also head over to Walgreens. I picked up this aloe vera gel and I'm going to be using it in this video. It is a great consistency to make this hand sanitizer. So I'm using my measuring cup so that way I can go ahead and pour the alcohol that is recommended, which is 2/3 cups. I also have a mixing bowl nearby, but I just want to show you guys just for the video's sake. And here is the aloe vera gel that I'm using. It's called After Sun. You can purchase this in Walgreens. I know that all the shelves are clear and it's kind of hard to find some of these things, but if you look pretty hard, then you may find your aloe vera gel. So we're going to measure it according to the CDC guidelines to get an effective hand sanitizer. It recommends that you use 1/3 cup of aloe vera gel. This is just to help to prevent your hands from drying, and instead of using just straight alcohol and drying of your hands, you can use the aloe vera gel, which will moisturize your hands. So in here I am pouring all of the 1/3 cup into my measuring cup. Once I'm done mixing the alcohol and the aloe vera gel, this is how it looks. This is the consistency that you would see. I'm using my spatula, a small spatula, to mix this. Make sure that all the equipment that you use is clean, because you're going to be pouring this into your bottle, and this will be your hand sanitizer. This recipe was fairly easy to make. I also went on to Walmart and purchased these bottles. I purchased these bottles. It came 4 in a set, and they were about a little over $3, so about $4 for this set. I thought this was pretty good. It's the perfect amount if you're traveling. So I got my funnel to go ahead to pour in my hand sanitizers into my bottle so it won't make a mess. So you would definitely need a funnel for making your own hand sanitizer. So as you can see the consistency of the hand sanitizer is now thick. It is not runny and watery. That's why the CDC recommends that you use the 91 or 90 proof isopropyl alcohol. If you use anything less than that, then you have to change the ratio and it will be more runny. So it's recommended that you use the exact recipe that I listed in the description box down below. So now I'm going to go ahead and continue to fill all of my bottles with the newly mixed hand sanitizers. This is great, guys, because now if you go to the store, you're noticing that all of the hand sanitizers have been bought up. So it is good to have that you can make your own recipe if you cannot find your hand sanitizers for your home. I thought this was fairly easy to make. It only takes 2 ingredients. If you want to, you can add 5 to 10 drops of your essential oil, such as tea tree oil, but I didn't use that in this video. I am just using the isopropyl alcohol and the aloe vera gel. So it's definitely easy to use. As you can see, it is nice and thick. I'm filling up my bottles, and these bottles, guys, I also wanted to say that these bottles are the recommended fluid ounce for traveling. So if you're traveling, these are the right bottle size. So here they are, guys. They are all done. You have your hand sanitizers. I love these colorful bottle tops. It's thick. I love the consistency. It is right. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please share this video with other family members and friends. So those who can't find any hand sanitizers with these people gouging the prices, this will be great for you guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please, like I said, share this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I am so excited that you guys have a way to make your own. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This will help my channel out a lot. This will help the support for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, I will link here the video that I use to keep the flu virus out of your house. So guys, go ahead and click that video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.